Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and find the contact you would like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this info icon and tap on the camera icon right here. And as you can see here, we've got actually 3 different options, so you can pick the avatar if you'd like to. After tapping on this plus icon, you will get into more options, but let me tap on this minus icon. I don't want to do that. What's more, you can choose the gallery or the camera. After picking the camera, your device will open obviously the camera app, so this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and you can catch a photo, or you can pick the gallery. So I will pick this option, of course give all the permissions, and right now just find the photo we'd like to set and tap on it. And as you can see from this, we can adjust the size and the position of this square and the circle inside of it, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. What's more, we can zoom in or zoom out the photo just by using 2 fingers, so it's really up to you how you want to set it. Just set it like you want to, and if you're happy with the results, just tap on done. As you can see, it immediately appears right here, so remember to tap on save. And it has been immediately applied to our contact. After getting back, you will be also able to see it on the contact list, and of course whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.